Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
And I thank the Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Power Minister for taking this step to instill confidence in the people of Goa and the people who have made an effort, who have contributed by installing solar panels on their roof in generating green power.
And Goa is the only state under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister who is giving 50% subsidy for solar rooftop. No other state in India is giving this. Today people talk a lot. They talk against the power. They require 50% subsidy in the bills because they have consumed more power. They have consumed more energy. They want subsidies. You can't be completely a state with subsidies. Here we can give you subsidy. Why? Because you all are individuals who have realized to be part of the green energy. And that is why I always feel proud of you who have started this movement. And today, you are contributing. But the people who are just opposing, none of them have contributed.
The Power Minister innovative things in his department in GEDA, वेगवेगळ्यो subsidies आणि ते फुडें हाडीत आसा. This is one of the scheme he launched. म्हणजे comparison with the other state, we are giving the 50% of the subsidy. Okay. It is very म्हणजे एकदम इनोवेटिव्ह आणि ताच्याच बरोबर त्यांनी ज्यो नवीन 2-3 स्किमी ज्यो सांगल्या म्हाका दिसता त्यो स्किमी लॉन्च केल्या उपरांत आनीकूय लोक म्हणजे ग्रीन एनर्जीच्या वाटेन येतले हाजी हांव आशा व्यक्त करता.